proper maintenance is crucial for the longevity of towing trucks in Calgary. Regular maintenance not only ensures the safety and reliability of the vehicle but also reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns. By conducting routine checks and addressing any issues promptly, towing truck owners can extend the lifespan of their vehicles, ultimately saving on repair costs. Neglecting maintenance can lead to costly repairs and downtime, impacting business operations. Therefore, establishing a comprehensive maintenance routine is essential for preserving the value and performance of towing trucks in Calgary. Regular inspections of the towing truck's tires, brakes, and engine are essential to identify and address any potential issues. Tire inspections ensure proper tread depth and tire pressure, which are crucial for vehicle stability and traction. Checking the brakes helps in maintaining optimal stopping power, ensuring safe operation. Additionally, engine inspections can reveal signs of wear or damage, allowing for timely maintenance to prevent major breakdowns. By conducting these regular inspections, towing truck owners can proactively address any issues, minimizing the risk of unexpected and costly repairs. Regularly checking and replenishing essential fluids such as oil, coolant, and transmission fluid is vital for maintaining the towing truck in optimal condition. Engine oil lubricates and protects the engine components, while coolant prevents overheating, and transmission fluid ensures smooth gear shifting. Neglecting these fluids can lead to engine damage, overheating, and transmission problems, impacting the truck's performance and longevity. By staying on top of fluid checks and replenishment, towing truck owners can safeguard their vehicles against potential damage and ensure reliable operation on the roads. Keeping the towing truck clean and lubricating moving parts are essential practices to prevent corrosion and ensure smooth operation. Regular cleaning helps in removing dirt, salt, and debris that can lead to corrosion, especially in harsh weather conditions. Lubricating moving parts such as hinges, gears, and joints reduces friction, minimizing wear and tear on the truck's components. This maintenance routine not only preserves the truck's aesthetics but also contributes to its overall functionality and longevity, ultimately reducing the need for extensive repairs and replacements. Following a professional maintenance schedule and seeking professional assistance for complex repairs is crucial for maintaining the towing truck's longevity. A professional maintenance schedule includes routine checks, tune-ups, and component inspections conducted by qualified technicians. These regular assessments help in identifying potential issues early on, preventing them from escalating into major problems. Additionally, seeking professional assistance for complex repairs ensures that the truck's intricate systems are handled with expertise, reducing the risk of further damage. By adhering to a professional maintenance schedule and engaging skilled professionals, towing truck owners can uphold the vehicle's performance and durability over time.